So we just came outside and we found
by the size, this is just a rat snake.
Yeah, we got a snake.
Look at how long this guy is.
And this isn't actually, I'm going to turn the camera. I don't know if it's going to flip actually.
I broke it. No.
But she actually broke it, so it's a little longer than this. So we don't know where it went. That's the bad part.
So look from there.
I'm going to feel it.
Go ahead.
I've never felt snake skin. Oh, that's so weird.
Isn't that interesting?
It's like plastic.
Yeah, it feels a little.
It feels like
Holy cow! I just saw those beans. Look at how beautiful. Don't worry, I already looked under here. I don't see him anywhere around.
Like
oh my goodness, these are. Whoop, there's a bee though. Look at how pretty these beans are.
It feels like a mix between like a paper.
Oh my goodness, there's so many of them. How did I miss all those? Oh, well, okay, I'm going to get the harvest basket. This is loaded too. This is where I think he was hiding though. So I have to get the grabber tool and just move all this around and just look carefully before I stick my hands in there.
Yeah, this reminds me of, what's it called? Ground cherries. They're so good.
Oh, the texture of it, you mean? Did you just get scared because I said, oh, there's no snake left in it?
No, it made a rude sound.
Oh, no, there's not that can't hurt you. It's just the skin. The snake's gone.
I've never felt snake skin.
Well, now you have. Interesting lesson, huh?
It feels like a very thin version of a ground cherry husk.
Oh, yeah, like the papery. It's like papery, yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to turn this off because a storm's rolling in and I got to get all these beans picked. So say bye.